Hey guys, today I have a makeup haul and I'm so excited. I got my hair done today and I am obsessed. Like, I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. So I've gone for like a kind of balayage. My hairdresser said about one more appointment and then it should be like, you know, really nice and blonde. But I honestly love it, and I got like the little blonde bits at the front. I love it, honestly. My makeup is looking awful because I've been wearing it for, oh god, probably like 11 hours at this point. And because I went to the hairdresser, like, they obviously washed my hair and stuff, so it's all coming off. But I just needed to film this video because I'm very excited. So, let's get started. So the first thing that I received is from Royal Essence, and they sent this to me in PR, which was super lovely of them. This is their new Mermaid Kisses candle. This is part of their, oh, what was it called? It's called, I think it's like the Fantasy Collection or something like that. But anyway, this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. So there's this one, and then there's also the Snow Fairy one that's in part of the collection. Maybe it's called the Fairy Tale Collection or something like that. I'm not too sure, but anyway, this is the jar here. It is so beautiful. They have honestly killed it with this one. I love it. I think it's amazing. And so yeah, this one is called Mermaid Kisses. Can't remember if I said that. And yes, this one does have a jewelry inside, which I'm very excited about. I'm waiting for payday so I can order their new Christmas collection. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. It smells super fresh. And just really nice. But yeah, so they sent me that very kindly, so thank you so much, Royal Essence. I love that, and I cannot wait to burn it, and I'm really excited to see what jewelry comes inside. Oh, my Kylie Cosmetics order finally arrived. 2 months later, but it's here. Okay, so I ordered some stuff so I can do like a full face of Kylie, so I'm actually really excited, and that video should be coming soon. The first thing I got is the You're So Money Baby eyeshadow palette. I think this was one of her birthday collections like a little while ago. This is how the palette looks here. It's super cute, and I really love the colour story of this one. It's such a super cute palette, so I'm really excited to try that out. I was obsessed with Kylie when I first started makeup, and then I got turned off it. Not like turned off it, but like, I don't know, I just didn't really get into it anymore. And then I kind of got rid of all my stuff, and now I want to try it out again and see like how it is and if it's good and stuff. So yeah, I got the palette. Then I got a few face products. I got the pressed illuminating powder in the shade Ice Me Out. This actually looks so beautiful, like so stunning. Really pretty shade. I've got 2 of her other shades and I do like them. They're a little bit subtle, but I feel like, I think her formula has changed or something since then, so yeah. Then I got her bronzer in the shade, I don't know how to say it, Kayaki? I know I said that wrong. I know I butchered it. Khaki. Is it khaki? I think it's khaki. So that looks like a really pretty shade. I do really like that. I feel like that'll be, if the formula works well, I feel like that'll be a really nice bronzer. It's just a really beautiful shade. Then I got a blush. This one was from the Stormy collection, and this one is in the shade Flutter in Love. This one's super cute. I actually love it. And that is such a beautiful shade, like my ideal blush shade. I love it. So yeah, I'm really excited. The video will be coming soon, so keep your eye out for that. What else did we get? I got her setting powder in the shade Yellow. I don't know why I got this. Yep. We'll see what it's about. See it there. I didn't get everything that she offers. Like, I didn't get her primer and her setting spray and stuff, or her like concealer. I just got like a few things, but I still like have enough to do a good video. So I got 2 of her shimmer eye glaze. I have one in the shade Dime Piece, which is like this stunning like gold color, like so beautiful. I'm so excited to try these. These honestly look so stunning. So yeah, I got that one. That one is in the shade Dime Piece. I think that was also from her birthday collection. And then I got one in the shade Aqua Mama, and this one is so gorgeous. Like, just the most beautiful aqua blue color. I love it. That is gonna look so stunning on the lids. So yeah, I'm really excited to try those out. And then last but not least, I got some lip products. So first I got 2 of her matte liquid lipsticks. The first one is in the shade Wish You Were Here. Which looks like that. It's so beautiful. I'm going to do swatches and everything in the video, so don't worry. And then the next one is called Built to Last. Which once again, such a stunning, beautiful shade. Then the last thing I got is her lip set, which comes with a matte liquid lipstick, a lip liner, and a high gloss. So that's how it looks there. I got mine in the shade You Glow Girl. And yeah, it comes with these 3. They all look so stunning. I'm so excited. And I really like this like matte pink packaging. I think that's stunning. So yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, so it's all in the shade You Glow Girl. I didn't realise that. That's cute. I thought that was just like the name of like the little trio, but that's actually like the shade. I can't get this high gloss out. Anyway, so yeah, I will have a video coming soon trying out all the Kylie Cosmetics stuff. I'm so excited. I got one of the Body Shop calendars for my sister. This is the Make It Real Together advent calendar. It comes in 3 different sizes. This is the small size, but I do want to buy another one because I want to unbox it on my channel. This is how it looks on the inside. It is super cute, and it comes with, yeah, 25 little doors. Or is it only 24? Maybe it's only 24. Or is it 25? I don't know. How many days are in an advent calendar? I can't remember. I think this one only has 24 actually. But anyway, so yeah, I want to buy another one so I can unbox it. But I also have the big one here, which is mine. Oh, okay. Oh my god, it's so heavy. So if all goes to plan, I am going to end up unboxing all 3 on my channel. I'm going to buy them tomorrow when I get paid if they're still in stock, and then I will do my unboxing videos. But yeah, this is the big one. It's huge. I might actually unbox this one after this video, because I'm so excited to see what's in here. But yeah. Anyway, oh, so I got those 2. My room is just such a mess. Then I got another calendar. This is the 13 Days Spooky Countdown, and this is like a pop calendar, and it comes with 13 vinyl figures from like horror movies. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. I'm gonna unbox this one after this video. But yeah, I'm so excited for these. It looks so cute. The ones on the front I can see are Beetlejuice, is it Jack? All play and all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We have, what's his name? Freddy, Jason, Annabelle, or no, sorry, not Annabelle, what's her name? The girl out of The Exorcist, I can't remember her name, and then Pennywise. So I literally cannot wait. I'm so excited. Then there's just a few more things to show you, and then I'm done. I went to Zing and got a few Christmas presents. So this one is for my sister. I got her a Friends puzzle because she loves Friends and she loves puzzles, so it makes sense, you know. For Sam, I got him a little Minecraft plush because he loves Minecraft, so I got him that. I got him a little gym keyring. He already has Pam, so I thought, you know, he has to have Jim so that they can be together. So there he is there. He's really cute. And then the last thing I got was for me. This is the Toy Story Pop the Alien, but it's the Diamond Collection. It's a special edition. I love it. It is so cute. So it's gonna look so beautiful up there with my other alien, all my other Toy Story stuff. But yeah, I think that's everything. So pretty big haul. I mean, I feel like it was lots of random stuff. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go now so that I can unbox these calendars. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!